REKR Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So Rekor Systems is sitting at $2.63, 19.55% up. Ultimately, this is how my chart looks like. Context, I have gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, and I've spent thousands of courses and mentors, documented everything. And generally speaking, with REKR, it's just, I've been bullish beforehand here, and then I abandoned the stock. It started, you know, correcting itself down, started to pick up, and then came inside my demand, started expanding. So I was willing to double down on this long side view, but you can see it just kind of kept hovering and just kept going without me. I mean, I was here to kind of take a look at this, but like the rules, the confirmation part just never got met, which is completely fine. That is part of the game. And ultimately, like even right now with REKR, I'm still looking to take things up. Obviously, since we already kind of reached the point, this is the previous video. Right, at the time I was sitting at $2.02, and this was made like 3 days ago. So you get the point. Since then, we've reached the top. More likely than not, again, I want to take this thing even higher. So in order for me to do that, it might kind of come down and give me a double break. Everything else is noise. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Yeah, goodbye.